In this video, we are looking at a brand new pair of Etimotic YAR 4 SR studio reference series of IEMs from Etimotic. This box is purely sealed, so it doesn't matter how we open it. So, Etimotic studio reference IEMs. Okay, that was a pop I was not expecting. In any case, this was easy. This came off easily, even though it still took a piece of it. This popped. I don't know why, but in any case, this is the presentation. Looks nice. Looks nice. I like this kind of presentation. This is fairly premium. This is a premium IEM after all, priced at around $300. These are some of the most accurate sounding IEMs in the world, and they belong to the ER4 Micro series. So they they inherit the quality of being high quality and accurate. So what are the stuff we are getting here? Reference standard 30 plus dB of noise isolation, mostly because of the deeper insertion into the ear, not because there is anything else. So you can use this kind of deep inserting tri-flange kind of tips with any IM and get a very good isolation, very similar isolation. If not 30, they will definitely be 25, 22 dB. That is not exactly 30, but that isn't bad either. Detachable reinforced cables and yeah, then that kind of stuff. Do we have any specification? Yeah, we do. Sensitivity and stuff. Impedance is 45 ohm. Maximum output is 125 dBs, but that's very loud, fairly loud. No issues with that either. Impedance is 45 ohm. 45 ohm is very good too. Cable is 60 inch, so 5 feet long cable. That's a long cable. High performance single balanced armature, single high performance balanced armature micro driver. So these are BA based IEMs. Stein condition. Wax kind of stuff is coming out of here. It doesn't matter. So this is the biflange tip. Quarter inch adapter cable slider. This is slightly bothering. In any case, these are the filters. These are the filters. If the filters get dirty, you use those. You change those. Set up tri-flanger and foam tips. So this concludes the list of accessories we get with the ER4 SR or nearly any SR series IM. ER4 series IM, SR and XR both have similar kind of packaging, and this is a very good kind of presentation and packaging. You get a small pocketable pouch with it, while this is the uh, travel friendly pouch where you can carry your DAP, dongle and kind of stuff. And this is fairly big. You guys can see the size difference. This can easily contain a 3.5 inch hard drive too. So this is fairly big. No issues with the size here. And this is the travel pouch, and this is the portable pocketable pouch. So fairly good, fairly good. There are no issues with the presentation or anything. And this is the unboxing of ER4 SR. I'll be comparing it with the ER3 SE. That is nearly half the price of this, but we will see how this flagship IEM from Etimotic goes head on when it goes head on with the ER3 SE. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.